that, according to the Parliament Standing Orders 9.3, a financial memorandum should set out the best estimates of the cost, savings and changes to revenues to which the provisions of the bill would give rise. Now, we've heard earlier that this financial memorandum seems to have more financial holes than a sieve. So is there a possibility here that you're actually breaking the Parliament's own rules?
No, I don't think there is. And, as this committee will be well aware, I take my responsibilities in this very seriously and, questioned to the nth degree the officials who put together a financial memorandum in other documents. And as I've said throughout, this financial memorandum covers the aspects that the bill covers.
Mm-hmm. But, well, there's things like IT that Daniel Johnson mentioned earlier. There's no provision at all in there. And you said you didn't want to pluck
So
figures
there's no provision for IT in the bill, so therefore it's not in the financial memorandum, Mr Lumsden.
Why is there not? It's known that there will need to be an IT system in to support this. Now, you said you didn't want to pluck figures out there for an IT system, but figures have been plucked out there for every other aspect of this bill. So why couldn't have been an estimate, a best estimate in for an IT system? So,
Convener, I've never known Parliament to legislate for an IT system. And, what FM, as every member I'm sure is aware, covers is what is covered in the bill. That is covered by the financial memorandum.
But there's going to be IT costs related to this bill. So surely there should have been some provision for that costs to be in the financial memorandum.
So I cannot make myself any clearer on this, Convener, because IT is not in the bill. The financial memorandum covers the bill. What I have said quite clearly here today, again and again, in terms of the aspects of the other work that needs to be done in terms of co-design and service delivery, we will bring back to Parliament the business cases for all of this work as soon as that work is completed, and folk will have the opportunity to scrutinise. As they will have the opportunity to scrutinise every aspect of secondary legislation as we move forward too. Now, the standing orders are very clear in terms of a financial memorandum covering the aspects that are covered in the bill, and we've done that.
Okay, well, I'll move on because I think we'll get frustrated on that point.